Day 21 of the federal government shutdown, and already food banks across the country are bracing for an influx of need. Social safety net programs like SNAP are set to run out of money by the end of the month.
If those SNAP dollars get cut in half, that would mean that a local food center, food bank would have to quadruple their output just to meet that need.
Those same food banks not just preparing for people missing benefits, but also full-time federal workers who are on the verge of missing a second paycheck. Many of those workers still on the job at airports across America, leading to flight delays from air traffic controllers and TSA officers calling in sick. Federal workers at airports aren't the only ones not being paid. And this week, the Senate is planning to attempt to alleviate some of that pressure by passing a bill that would at least get paychecks for those federal workers who are still required to work.
It has become clear that Democrats' previous concerns had more to do with politics than with principle.
But Democrats continue to hold their ground, arguing any bill passed must consider health care reforms.
The ACA premium crisis is not a fix-it-later issue, like Republicans keep pretending it is. It's a fix-it-now issue.
Cancer survivor Kenny Capps gets his health insurance through the Affordable Care Act. If the subsidies lapse, he may be forced to go without coverage.
That could be twice what my mortgage payment is, which means that I'm going to have to start making decisions about what I pay.
Meanwhile, the shutdown continues and is on pace to break records. If it extends for more than 2 weeks, it will become the longest shutdown of all time. Some on Capitol Hill are bracing for that possibility.
We are shorthanded already with air traffic controllers, with TSA agents, keeping the airports safe and our flights safe. We cannot afford this nonsense.
Open enrollment for many Americans begins on November 1st, which means that Congress is running out of time to impact the cost of premiums in the new year. At this point, that deadline is not forcing the two sides to get into a room and solve this problem. Craig?
All right, not even talking. Ryan Noble's there. Ryan, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.